Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to share with you some happy mail that I received from my friend Nikki, and she is Simply Home by Nikki on YouTube and on Instagram. I will leave her links down below. She and I first met when we did a Halloween collab together a couple of years ago. And she is so sweet. She is a really talented crafter, and she just makes really enjoyable videos. So go check her out if you don't follow her yet. You'll be glad you did. She's really an excellent crafter, very, very talented, and she's very sweet too. So thank you so much for this package, Nikki. I actually got it over the weekend, and I just haven't had a chance to open it and film it until now. So I did read the card so far, but I haven't looked inside, so let's go ahead and do that together. So she sent me this beautiful card that says Merry Christmas, and it's layered up so nicely. I don't know what line this is, but I love this piece of ephemera with the girl holding all the presents. And she made a really pretty gold glitter bow with I think this is a Hobby Lobby candy cane charm hanging from it. And I love how you stapled that on. That is such a nice touch. And the gold snowflakes, really, really cute. So on the inside, this is her business card, if you wanted to check it out. And that's the back. So, oh yeah, she has an Etsy shop too. I forgot about that. Yes, I'll link that as well. So it says December 2022. Merry Christmas, Jen. I wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas and thank you for inspiring me weekly with your hauls and your creations. I always look forward to your videos. I hope your 2023 is amazing. Crafty hugs, Nikki. Thank you, Nikki. This is a beautiful card. I really, really love it. Thank you. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So, and that's what the front of the envelope looks like. So cute. Oh, I love that little skunk. I love skunks. So, okay, so we have this really cute tissue paper, Merry Christmas tissue paper. And then, oh, look, more envelopes. Yay, for me to use. Oh, I'm so excited. These are as beautiful as the one that you wrote in, but this is one that I can, oh, yay, I can send myself. So cute. Oh, I love it. Look at all the different layers and some puppy stickers. I think this is a crepe paper line, right? Maybe mittens and mistletoe. So adorable. And it's popped up on foam tape. There's that little skunk that I love. Excellent. And the envelopes are decorated so nicely too. And it looks like another one as well. Oh, I love the little camper and the little like chalet. Oh, this is beautiful. And these colors I just love. And there's a taxi with presents and a nice die cut. That looks like a Chaos Craft die cut. Puppy stickers, enamel stickers, so many different layers and textures and touches. And that one says joy on the inside. I don't even have to add a sentiment. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you, Nikki. And then we have, a package of rosettes. Nice. And these are crepe paper rosettes. Thank you, because I am just not good at making rosettes, especially like freeform ones like this. If they're with a die, I can kind of manage them, but to make them like this, I really struggle. So thank you for this. And these are perfect colors for the paper collection you chose. And you made this nice bag topper with, is that a Hobby Lobby Dollar Tree snowflake? And then there's some pieces of ephemera and a cute ornament that you made, a die cut with a cute gold thread ribbon. These are beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. I am so excited for those. I love when people make me rosettes. There's so much stuff in here. Oh my gosh. This is one of those like smaller priority mailboxes, but it is jam-packed full of stuff. Okay, so let's see. We have, this is a great, let's see, did you repackage? Or it looks like a pocket. Oh, this is like a vinyl pocket and you mounted it on paper. What a great idea to make for packaging. And these are, they're little charms and they're made out of earrings. I've made ones like this before. And you could actually just put these on like a fish hook, a earring fish hook, and wear them as earrings too. And these say, oh, this is so cute. Snowflake with the snowflake charm, really cute Heishi beads, and there's a Santa charm, and that says Santa, and then the puppy stickers, and you crinkled up some a napkin or tissue paper. It says happiness and cheer with snowflakes behind it. Beautiful packaging. I love all of your details. I get kind of overwhelmed with details when I'm doing stuff like this. Like I have the stuff I want to send, and then to package it nicely kind of overwhelms me. But you look like you really enjoy that. So thank you. That's beautiful. Okay, let's look at this. Ooh, this is great. This is a, I believe it's a KS Craft trim die, and you gave me some beautiful trims. So this one is poinsettia trim. It's like red velvet with gold on it. Oh, that is beautiful. I love that. I haven't seen that before. And this is dark green, grosgrain ribbon with glitter deer on it. And then this pretty pink like tulle and satin trim. Oh, that's fun. That'll be so cute on the page of a mini album if you put that on the end, and then the tulle will be peeking out. I love that. And then there's this, oh, this is so cute. It's a little deer ornament with a pom-pom on it, and you tied it with twine, and there's a garment pin with cute little charms. There's a candy and Noel, and then warm wishes. Oh, so sweet. It's beautiful. I love how you added the little clothespin to keep that closed, to keep them all closed. That's a really nice touch. Beautiful. Thank you. I love trims. I love collecting trims. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, there's a little, oh, this is an ornament, little bottle. It's plastic, good. And look at all these wire wrap beads in here. Did you make these? Oh my gosh, this is another thing that I would love to be good at, and I'm just not good at. But these are so nice. Look at all the little circles are nice and round. That's what gets me. Mine come out all wonky, and then I end up tossing them. Cute little Santa there, Heishi beads, pretty pinks and whites and reds and greens. Oh, this is so great. And then you made a little dangle for the top with, oh, this is like one of those cookie cutter buttons. And then, oh, I have these dear too. I love these. These are one of my favorite charms of all time. They're so cute. And then this one is a mitten with the snowflake on it. I think I have that too in my stash. And a little jingle bell with a little like rondelle charm as well. This is so adorable. I love this. So inspiring. I never do anything like this. I wouldn't put wire wrap beads in here because I just can't, but maybe something else. But great idea. Thank you, Nikki. And then let's see. Okay, so we have this cute little pocket again with all the layers. Oh, you are amazing at layering. It looks so good all together like that. I love her. Look at those colors, and there's a nice pink glitter banner there. Just adds just a nice little touch of sparkle. Beautiful. And then let's see what's inside. Ooh, a bunch of stuff. Okay, oh, we have some flares. These are adorable. Did you make these? Or somebody made them. Probably you. Dear Santa, these are adorable. Love the little chipmunk, Santa, like a Santa cookie, some coffee or cocoa, and a little tree. And the cute piece of ephemera behind it. 'Tis a season to be jolly. And then some handmade bows, excellent with the snowflake background. And then cute wood buttons or charms on the front. This one's a snowflake, and it's got like, it's an acrylic one with white on the top, and then a wooden tree. These are so cute, and they're layered with the stitch design. I know these take a lot of time to make, Nikki. Thank you so much. I really love them. And then we have a little like vellum pouch. How sweet is this? With the wax seal that says Merry Christmas. Did you make this from like, maybe like the Michael set or something? That's beautiful. It's a nice shiny green too. I hate to open it up, but I will. Oh, I'm opening it. I'm just peeling it slowly. So, oh, that's a good idea to put a glue dot back there. Okay. Ooh, wax seals. Excellent. This was a preview of what was inside. Excellent. And they all say Merry Christmas in different colors. I am so happy. Oh, and they have the sticky thing on the back. You are so thoughtful to include that. Look at how pretty these are. There's like green, and it's got a little marbling in it, pink, blue, the reds. How gorgeous are those? Oh, I love these, Nikki. Thank you. You are so thoughtful. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but oh, there's another one in there. Hang on. Can't let anyone be unappreciated. Oh, and that one has little flowers on it. That's beautiful. And that's nice because you could use that flower one for any season, you know. Use it in green, it looks like poinsettias. You could do it in pastels, it would look like spring or summer flowers. That's pretty. Love it. Thank you. How cool. Okay, I'll just move those over there and let's keep going. So I think, yeah, that was it for the pouch. Let me just move that over. And then, oh, look at this. It's a little embellishment box. Warm Wishes. Looks like the H fell off. Where'd you go, H? It's in here somewhere. I will find it and put it back on. And you tied it with this beautiful trim. Did you crochet this? That didn't come like that. Or it's braided. I don't know. That is a really cool piece of yarn. And then there's some bright green, some gingham, some lace, red velvet, red polka dot. How pretty does that look together? You just coordinated this whole package so beautifully with the, I think it's mittens and mistletoe. It could be something else, but everything looks so nice together. And you put the puppy stickers on here, covered it up perfectly, the flat part of the embellishment box. So let's take a look inside. Oh, how beautiful. And it's double-sided, or you put a different color on the other side so it would look pretty when you open it. And then let's take a look at what's in all the little sections. So here we have these sweet little flower ribbons, or ribbon flowers. How pretty are those to put on your projects? And then, you know, you could add whatever kind of center you wanted, like a little puppy sticker or something. And the colors, red, white, and pink, perfect for Valentine's Day projects too. And then next to that, we have some beautiful bows. There's a green grosgrain ribbon, and then, oh look, a little twine bow, double bow, nice. And then this red one is that red velvet, so pretty. You tied them beautifully if you tied them yourself, yeah. And then there's this pink velvet one, and then the pink plaid. How pretty is that? Thank you. I love little bows, love them. And sometimes I struggle with tying them correctly, so that's so nice to have. Next to that, we have some cute little flowers in the coordinating colors with little gold centers. And there's green and red, white. Oh, perfect. You know, if I don't use them through the year, which you totally could, these would be great for St. Patrick's Day crafting because they kind of remind me of clovers, you know. And then red and white, of course, you can use anytime. There's a whole bunch of those too. Thank you. And then next to that, we have some cabochons. These are so sweet. They're little bows, and they're resin, I believe. I don't know what they are, but they're nice and, you know, sturdy. They're not fabric or anything. There's pink with white polka dots. And then this one has like a flat back, which is cool. And that's like a sagey kind of green. That's really neat. That would look nice on top of something, you know. And then little white faceted gemmies, like a nice matte milky white. Very nice. And then there's a little, oh, there's a little gold heart that snuck in there. How fun. And then look at this little Nomi. How cute is he? Oh, adorable. He's got a gold body, a cute little pink hat, and a nice white beard and a little nose. And it's an ornament too. That's so cute. What a cute idea. That would be nice hanging on the side of a, you know, like a chunky charm or something. And then here are some little wool balls. There's, in the coordinating colors, there's pink and white and green. How fun are those? These are also great. You can use these as beads. Speaking of beads, there are little Santa jingle bells. How cute are those? And they jingle. So 4 little Santa bells. Next to that we have, I have some of these that I painted, and these are so fun to paint, and you can customize these in any color you want. I'm so glad you gave me one because I did run out of those, so thank you. And the little clothespins too that you use to attach the trim. I love that. And then here are a bunch of charms. Oh good, that little snowflake like you had in the one project, and there's the little chipmunk. Oh, I love these. I think this is from Joann's maybe. I don't know, but I love that little vintage deer. How cute is he? And then, let's see, let me just move those so I could see what's underneath. Because we want to appreciate all of this curated goodness. And then, oh, a little black and white plaid one, so fun. That could go with so many different kinds of projects. A cute little tree. This is totally up my alley, Nikki. And then look at that tree with the red balls on it. So cute. And then we have one, oh, I love these kind of charms that have they're little balls and they're filled with different things. And this one's filled with tiny little red gemmies. Perfect for Christmas or Valentine's Day. And then there's that, oh, look at that snowman. His face is adorable. And he's holding a little broom. So cute. And then we have a moon, a Santa moon. I have a Santa moon die. I love it. This will go perfect with that, right? And then I love these like vintage looking ones. Happy holidays. And another vintagey one with the sprig of holly on it. These are so pretty. And then a snowflake button. Excellent. I love buttons, and I love when they're nice and flat like this too. Thank you. And then, oh, this one's adorable. It's a tiny little pink snowflake charm that's kind of glittery. And it's on a little lobster clasp. Perfect. All ready to attach onto a project. Oh, those are so cute. And then next to that, we have some cute embellishments. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, I love these wood pieces. They go perfectly on tags and cards and stuff. And then there's a red tree button. That's wood. Cute little gold deer. Look how nice and 3D he is. Good for 3D projects like shadow boxes and stuff. And here's a Santa, a wood Santa. He's got an adorable face. I love that. And then a little gold star with a sticky back on it. So that's great too. This would be great on top of a tree or just in any project you need a star for. And some bigger poinsettias. Oh, look how nice. I love the glitter that you added to the ends of the petals. Nice and chunky. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so glad to have this. It's so nice to have everything that coordinates in a box like this. You know, it's just, it's easy to store and just to pull out when you're working on it. I need to do stuff more like that to organize, you know, instead of having everything all over the place. Like make a little box that has, you know, everything that's coordinated so you don't have to pull everything out all at once. So thank you so much, Nikki, for everything. This was so unexpected and very much appreciated. You're really, really talented, and I'm so glad to get to know you on Instagram and on YouTube here. So thank you, friends, and thank you everyone who watched. Again, I'll leave Nikki's links down below, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Take care, everybody. Bye.